Jinan Quick-Fulltek CNC Machinery Company have been founded over 16 years. We are professional in manufacturing CNC router, CNC machining center, and edge banders. Our machine frames are processed by 5-sided CNC machining center. Once positioned, complete all processes. It ensures parallelism and straightness of guide rail surface. Frames would be polished well to remove all rust before painting. Our warehouse is well organized for better work efficiency. For production, our assembly is rigorous and serious. Each step has strict requirements, even for screws. Take desktop model as example. It has ruggedly constructed structure. Steel is stress-relieved and annealed for deformation-free to keep machine accurate. Electrical wiring is placed neatly for better control and long usage. We have many aspects for quality inspection, from incoming material to whole production until delivery. Use marble measuring tools and others to test incoming parts. Before production, each fixing places, including holes and mounting surfaces, should be tested strictly. Even our mini CNC router have more than 100 items of quality inspection. For each step, we use professional tools to test parallelism, straightness, and resolution on gear, gantry, spindle, work table, and working. Quality is our life, and we do our best to produce good quality machines. We sincerely welcome friends all over the world to visit us and promote cooperation. Quick is always at your service.